lana eMidlands lapho senzekela khona kuyona imahlobo festive games njengoba kudlala yona TS Gunners idlala nayo imnandi TS Gunners ibona labo bagcoke lona ijezi eliyelo simnandi igcoke lona ijezi eliblue engifuna ukuzwa abantu bona ukuthi bathini ngiyacabanga ukuthi siye ngapha ukuze abantu ngibezwe bona ukuthi bathini njengoba bakhona lana enkundleni engifuna nje ukuzwa nje athi ngicela kubafana abancane athi ngibone bashawa uvala abafana abancane athi ngizwe athi siyokubaba lapha sibeze ukuthi bona umdlalo bawubukela kanjani kunjani bantu abadala ngiyacela nje opinion yenu ngoba njalo nginibona nibeleni khona lana kwamahlobo engicela nje ukuzwa kunini ukuthi kunjani la kwamahlobo
Zakhipha baba la kwamahlobo
manje njengoba sikhipha khona iteam ohamba nayo
ngihamba nehamba iteam bathi Midlands Mighty Eagles.
Midlands Mighty Eagles niyawuzwa uhamba nayo Mighty Eagles okuyinto enhle njengoba mina ngisasho athi sizwe ubaba uthena uthini ngoba nyawuza ukuthi uyakhuluma ubaba naye ngapha
ihamba na Mighty Eagles.
Nani?
Mighty Eagles.
Mighty Eagles.
Yes.
Ayisento fire ke lezo. Yeah.
All right. Nani zwile ukuthiwa kambonayo iMighty Eagles yasendo fire ziyakhipha sisahamba phansi khona lana eGasi. Khona lana eGasi engisafuna ukuthi ngihambe phansi ngilibele ngibuza abo baba athi ngibona ukuthi umuphi baba engakhuluma naye nanga amajimbosi amancane ngiyabona ashayela ihoka athi sizwe wona njengoba blomile amajita bawuthi ngiyabona blomile kumnandi kwamahlobo nibukela idiski ungangitshela wena ukuthi ufana lipi team akafuna ukukhuluma umjita uyembheka bophethu athi ngizwe wena ayasaba amajita awafuna ukuringa kodwa kumnandi khona lana kwamahlobo sisabangena sisamba phansi soze sibathole esizokhuluma nabo njengoba umdlalo ulibele udlala nali iphunya selesele lihleli athi ngiyohlala nephunya selesele bana bawushebile athi sihlale phansi awuthi yami shilexile sikwamahlobo ziyenzakala sibukela igame emnandi ungatshela nje ukuthi kunjani la kwamahlobo
hayi mina ngicela nokufika ngijabulela yonke into engiyibonayo hayi akupholile kumnandi
awukaboni iqembu maybe ongalisupporta lana
ngihamba nemhlakeni
ngoba nemhlakeni iTS Galaxy Gunners iTS Gunners
igana hayi Gunners
iyo hamba nayo
alright vano mhlakeni
alright abafana basemhlakeni sisendo fire eMidlands ziyenzakala
game on
alright game on niyawuzwa bafethu is game on njengosubele sikhona lana kwamahlobo engisangena ngizwe ukuthi njengoba kuyiyona bathi khona into eza athi singene sizwe lento ezwayo ukuthi yini athi siyizwe ngoba ngifuna ukuyizwa leyo athi sihlale phansi ngobona manje sihlale phansi ngifuna ukuzwa ukuthi khona ezayo yini leyo ezayo
Amhlake feature stars baba. Yakhona into ezayo.
iyashisa
Hayi mnandi kakhulu.
idlala nini leyo game
idlalile bawinile fethu.
isikhosi 10
Ufike esikhathi bani wena?
mina sokudala ngifikile ngiyafika manje makuyiGunners kanje naTS Gunners
Mhlake feature stars.
mhlake ngifeature stars
Hayi bamnandi kakhulu uzobabona bazobuya futhi. Bazobuya futhi ubamba isikhathi.
ane ngizosibamba isikhathi ngizobe ngikhona
Amara yayi yizo Midlands. Yeah Midlands yizo fire. Yabo
so
Subophi. Yeah, itofa. Yeah, kwamahlobo. Madoda.
Siyakhiphe kasi. Sisasekhona nyabonga awuthi yami. Ngcebeleka ube mnandi.
Grand.
ngizoyibona mangiceda ukuspana. Yabona ngabe beyisponzile njengoba isponsor amakhapha amakhulu bengizoyithatha. Niyabona ekasi kumnandi sisasekhona esakhuluma nabantu ngoba sihamba phansi sifuna ukwazi ukuthi bona le mesh bayibona enjani nangu sisi unefamily okuyinto enhle family outing asibabonisa ukuthi kuhle kanjani kwamahlobo family outing okuyinto enhle esifuna ukuyibona ngazonke isikhathi ithi sizubhuti ukuthi kunjani ukuthi abe khona lana kwamahlobo ngoba siyakhipha bhuti wami kumnandi kwamahlobo ezothanda nje ukuzwa kuwena nje ukuthi kunjani ngiyabona nihleli nifamily kumnandi.
I know I'm enjoying the game. It's quite proper. Yeah, no, Mahlobo games are very nice. Yeah, no, most definitely.
Which team are you supporting here, or you've just came to support any team that is playing?
No, I'm here with Motlakeng Future Stars. I'm part of the management there. So yeah, we're doing well. We've got 9 points in the group, so we don't have a loss. I think we've got a bright future. Yeah.
Because everyone is telling me about Motlakeng. It's not because of they've won today. Now everyone now decide to support them.
No, it's a consecutive thing. I think it's something that we've been emulating. You know, I think if we look at the way we're playing at Tata as well, we haven't lost yet. So I think we're coming well. It's a project for the past 3 years. So it's something that it's been a concentric wave. So we're coming most definitely.
I can hear you are a real supporter because you know everything about Motlakeng.
No, most definitely. It's just soccer in itself. Remember, we've won this tournament twice before with Motlakeng All Stars, and then now we're coming back to redeem what is ours.
Yeah. Not very much, sir.
And number one.
Then you also number one. Ziyakhipha ekasi eMotlakeng izile iphethe amandla ziyakhipha njengoba sisahamba phansi sizwe angazi boy wena kuyafinga usupporta ngathi sizumfana omncane naye simuzwe nje ntwathi wena supporta ifing team obani ngasiba hawutlile mona na wayirata bolo emunati bolo jwale kubatla utlwa wena ke fingo rata
Future Stars.
O rata Future Stars? Ke mo kae Future Stars?
Ke go Motlakeng.
Ke Motlakeng. O tswa Motlakeng wa tla mona mo Middlelands zone 10. Future Stars yona e bapala jwang ho yona tournament ena?
It's great and since it tlala maswe ya build up ya dlala.
No ke a leboha ke tshepa hore Future Stars e tla ya pele ne? Sharp kaufela niyabona ngempela nencosi ekasi ziyancanywa idiski okuyinto endayakhulu njengoba lamanye sasekuwona lo mdlalo sibona ukuthi ziyakhipha ekasi ngazo sonke isikhathi sewashi njengoba namanje mina ngisasho ngithi if awukho lana kwaMahlobo uyaphuthelwa ngoba le tournament iphela ngazo i12 zika January 2025 Bawumnandi sikhona lana kwaMahlobo. See ya when you see us on Champions Circuit.